Wi-Fi name we have seen. It's one of my whenever I open my Wi-Fi from my phone, like one of my neighbors has it. It says Korkot Nag. Yeah. What's the most embarrassing thing you have ever worn? Most embarrassing thing, I don't know. Yeah, what's the most embarrassing thing? Maybe in my childhood I used to wear very atrangi kind of things and very embarrassing things. Like I just saw a picture where I'm just wearing a jeans cut skirt with something like a top kind of and with bangles like kache churi like with bangles, and it is pathetic, like blue denim cut jeans with a random yellow top with sky bangles. Because of my mom used to dress me like that. If you could be a fictional character, who would you be? I think because fiction, like I'm considering films only, I don't know in what basis you're asking, but on basis of films, I think I would be Rancho from Three Idiots, like Amir Khan, because he was a really good guy and I really like him. Okay, say a describe your life using film titles. Titles तो पता नहीं, मैं एक ही बोलूँगी. I have to think now. Titles, film titles, right? Um, I think it will be जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, मिलेगी whatever दोबारा. Okay, I lost it. Guilty pleasure, my guilty pleasure. Okay, my guilty pleasure is, I think, again, like being on social media. Like I have uninstalled Instagram, so you cannot tell me now, but I have like I still watch YouTube. I sometimes I feel guilty. I have control, I have control, I don't watch it that much, but still I feel guilty sometimes. But and also on same hand it gives me pleasure, so yeah. Okay, any one thing from your past you would like to change and why? I don't think I would like to change anything, frankly. I don't think I would like to change anything because whatever, like past, yeah, you can understand what I'm going to say. Whatever past that taught me many things, so I don't want to change. So my answer is also the same. Okay, did you crush over Rohit Saraf with a wing? With a wing? Yes, of course. Like, who wouldn't? Like, just send me their address. Who will not crush over Rohit Saraf because he is too cute. And one more fact, like suddenly people have as if they have discovered Rohit Saraf. Like feels like I know, like Mismatched and then Ludo, like they were like a blockbusters for him, but I knew him from like Dear Zindagi when he played Alia's brother, and I and then like in Sky is Pink he got a lot of like exposure. So I've been following him from them. So I have crushed him quite back. Your all-time favorite song from the 90s. Is that a 90s song? Ole, 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 ole. That song. I cannot sing, so I won't sing any because I can sing. I can sing really well, but with the wrong lyrics. Okay. Do you appreciate hand letters? Handwritten letters, actually, hand letters. Handwritten letters. Yeah, but I haven't got. I don't think I ever got something like that. I think, yeah, I remember once when I was in class, like something in primary section, and like because you have letter writing, so teachers used to tell that send a letter to your best friend during summer vacation. So we have to exchange between our friends, like, and really need to go and post it. And then I remember my friend had sent me a letter saying a pen she bought. So from then I have decided that I won't write any letter. Okay, being self-reliant or dependent on others. I think if you say like financially, obviously everybody wants to be financially independent, but I don't think that you cannot be independent from all aspects of life because some way or the other you will be dependent on somebody. Like I will be dependent on my parents even if I become financially stable and independent. So I think there's nothing to choose. I think both is and will be a part of life forever. According to you, which makeup look suits you the most? I don't experiment with makeup a lot, frankly, but I know I really like makeup, but I don't wear it, like I wear it very rarely, and I think that's the reason why I like it, because I wear it rarely. But today I've done a wing liner. I would like to show you because I am horrible at doing wing liner. I've never done it in my life. Fun fact, this liner, this is a Maybelline liner which I bought recently. I didn't have a liner in my life. Can you just believe it? Yes. You cannot, I can understand. But it's a liner. Let me just show you. I just wore it for the first time. It isn't bad. It isn't bad. It isn't bad. Okay, so I liked it. It is like thik thak. For the first time, it's not bad. I saw like YouTube tutorials how to wear a liner. Okay, so express your life mantra through dedicating one of your favorite song. Life mantra through one of your dedicating one of your favorite song. Okay, I like this song a lot, and especially this line. So I think this can be my mantra. That is "Safar खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी." I think that is really like a thing that can be my mantra from today. It's my mantra from today. Okay, which movie you can watch for 100 times and will not get bored? I can watch Ye Jawani Hai Diwani for 100. I have watched it already. There are certain films that I have not, which haven't done very well in the box office, but I really enjoy them. I don't know why. This is Rowdy Rathod. I know majority will be like, what your taste, man, but I really enjoy it watching it. I even enjoy watching Happy New Year. I can watch it thousands of times. I enjoy Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. I enjoy Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I enjoy watching Three Idiots. Like whenever they'll give, I'll just watch it. Okay, suppose you're going on a holiday vacation, then where do you wanna go, and with whom? I would like to go with my family, maybe, because my friends are like me. They'll take hundreds and hundreds of years to plan something, so it's better to go with my family, I think. So yeah, these were all the questions. I'm very sorry if the video is too long, but I hope you enjoyed it. And do let me know if you have any questions. Put it in down in the comment box, and please do subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do let me know that what kind of videos would you like to see next, because I'm out of ideas now. Just let me know what do you want me to do next. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and bye.